Earlier, we have published lots of videos on room air conditioner and its features. In this video, we are going to talk about the wearable air conditioner. That Sony has announced the launch of the second generation of Reon Pocket 2. Previous version of this wearable air conditioner has been introduced back in 2019. The portable air conditioner, which Sony calls a wearable thermo device with enhanced cooling function. This is new type of wearable device that can cool or warm the body surface of the contact parts. Whether you agree with the concept of wearable air conditioner or not is a debatable for a different day. But right now the Reon Pocket 2 is a undeniable a novel product to know about. Sony said that both the cooling and heating function can be controlled via a Sync smartphone application. In comparison to others such a portable air conditioner in the market, Sony claims that it features a newly designed drive circuit, which can directly offer twice the endothermic performance. The second generation Sony Reon Pocket 2 is a sweat and drip resistance, which the company claims make it suited for use even in workouts. Company is working towards expanding the ecosystem of wearable items and compatible accessories for products. Talking about its price, it comes in retail market at a price of 14,850 in Japanese yen, which is approximately 10,500 in Indian rupees. The original model launched in 2019 used silicone, but this time company has upgraded to SUS 316L stainless steel for the temperature cooling surface. This should offer more strength and transfer cooler temperature more easily to the skin. It also comes with 4 temperature levels that users can adjust to. This time company has partnered with sportswear brands to produce a range of gold clothing that features pockets for the wearable device to slot into. For using this device with regular cloths, the company has also designed a neck strap accessory. The Sony Reon Pocket 2 measures 54 mm in width, 20 mm in height and 116 mm in depth. Its weight is around 92 grams, which is just slightly more than the original model's weight of 89 grams. It is now available for purchase in Japan, and currently there is no information about its availability in others region. So finally going to conclude this video. Hope this content will be informative for you.